Hi everyone, my name is Jimmy and we are Diploma in Computer Science student from TARUMT. So in this video, we are going to present the fundamental of computer network assignment. And now we just jump into the table contents. In this video, we will cover the introduction, network design, and how we calculate the subnet, and also the addressing design and the network configuration, how we assign the IP address to the router, the switches, and the end device. And also the last one is ping connectivity. So we just real quick jump into the introduction. And for the assignment question, it provides us a scenario for us. It requires us to design a network for the TAACS solution company. So in this scenario, we could see three locations, location A, B, and C. So for location A, we have 3 departments. Location B, we also have 3 departments. And location C, we have 1 department. So after we study the scenario and also understand it, we just proceed the network design. We draw it in the Cisco packet tracer. So in this diagram, you could see the center point. We have a router, and this router is connected to the switch by using the fiber optic cable, and the switch will connect the PC by using the copper strip through cable. So now let's zoom into the location A. So in this location A, we design 3 local area network, and the location B, we also design a 3 local area network, and for the location C, we design 1 LAN network only.
Hi, I'm Tan Yong Sun, and now I will show you the calculations of growth of the number of address needed and also the subnetting table. On the left side, there is the host needed before the growth for each department, and the right side is the total number of hosts after the 55% of growth. For example, the customer service have 249 hosts. After the growth of 55% in all area, the hosts become 386. We will do all the calculations and list is into the table for other departments. Now, we will use the largest number of hosts required to do the calculations on the subnet. 386 is the largest number of hosts required, and it is smaller than 2 power of 9. This is equal to 512. Then we can obtain the number of bits reserved for the host portion, is 9. By deducting 32 by 9, we can obtain the prefix length is 23 with the subnet mask 255.255.254.0. The next is the subnet tables. Since it is platform, the prefix and the subnet will be the same. Now, I will talking about the addressing tables. After creation of the subnet, we assign the IP address to each of the devices. Let's start with the router. It has stable interface and no default gateway. For the gigabit internet through /0 interface, the IP address we assign to it is 10.0.0.1 with the subnet mask 255.255.254.0. We do the same process for other interface of all devices. And then this is the addressing tables for location A. The admin PC1 GB Ethernet 0 interface will be assigned with the IP address 10.0.4.3 with the subnet mask 255.255.254.0. And then we assign the default gateway to it is 10.0.4.1. And then this is the addressing table for location B and the addressing table for location C. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is LOO JIE YANG. I'm going to show how we assign the IP address and subnet mask after we have done the calculation of the subnetting table and addressing table. So now, let's proceed to our demo with these IP addresses and subnet masks. Let's start demo to assign IP address and subnet mask to the router. The first step is to log in into the router with password CLA33, and then enter privilege exec mode by typing in EN with password AACS2034. and then enter configuration mode by typing in config T. Select the interface G00 for configuration by typing in int G0/0. Now we need to assign IP address 10.0.4.1 with subnet mask 255.255.254.0, and then activates the interface with no shutdown by typing in no shut. And now we proceed to assign IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway to our switch. First, we need to log in into the switch by typing in the password CLA33, and then we enter into the privilege mode by typing in EN with password AACS2034, and then we enter into the config mode by typing in config T. Select the interface VLAN for configuration by typing in int VLAN1. We assign IP address by typing in 10.0.4.2 with subnet mask 255.255.254.0, and then activate the interface by typing in no shut. In with switch, we also need to assign a default gateway to VLAN by typing in ipdef 10.0.4.1. Lastly, we choose the admin PC1 for our demo. We assign 10.0.4.3 to our IPv4 address, and then we assign 255.255.254.0 to our subnet mask. And the last one, we assign 10.0.4.1 to our default gateway in the admin PC1. So now let's proceed to Jimmy.
Hi, now I will take over this presentation. I will expand the last part, ping connectivity, after we assign the IP address to all these devices. So we need to check whether they can communicate to each other or not. So we can use admin PC1 to ping the gaming PC1. First, we click on the admin PC1 and click desktop and click the command prompt and enter ping 10.0.6.3, and we successful. We received 4 packets. So now I will demo the second example. Now I use the R&D PC1 and ping the CSP PC1. Ping 10.0.3. And yeah, we received 4 packets also, and also successful. So that's all for our presentation, and also thank you for watching our videos.